Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Germany to secular Jewish parents. He grew up in Munich, where he showed early talent in mathematics and science, though he disliked the authoritarian style of schooling. At 16, he left Germany, later enrolling at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he graduated in 1900. Einstein revolutionized physics in 1905 with 4 seminal papers, including the special theory of relativity and his famous equation E mc quadrat. In 1915, he presented the general theory of relativity, a new understanding of gravity as the warping of space-time. In 1921, Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics, primarily for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, which laid groundwork for quantum mechanics. His work reshaped 20th century physics and introduced concepts that influence modern cosmology, GPS systems, and atomic energy. With the rise of Hitler, Einstein, who was Jewish and outspoken against fascism, fled Germany in 1933 and settled in the U.S., taking a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton. He became a U.S. citizen in 1940. Although a pacifist, Einstein co-signed a letter to President Roosevelt in 1939 warning of Nazi Germany's nuclear potential. This helped prompt the U.S. to initiate the Manhattan Project, although Einstein himself had no direct role in building the atomic bomb. In his later years, he spoke out for peace, civil rights, and nuclear disarmament. Albert Einstein died of an abdominal aortic aneurysm on April 18, 1955, at age 76, at Princeton Hospital. Then one of the most controversial posthumous events in medical history happens. Einstein's brain was removed without his family's permission. Dr. Thomas Stoltz Harvey, the pathologist who performed the autopsy, removed Einstein's brain for scientific study. Harvey claimed he did so in the interest of science, hoping to discover what made Einstein so intellectually unique. He preserved the brain in formaldehyde and later cut it into 240 blocks, which he embedded in resin and mounted on microscope slides. In the hushed operating room, Thomas Harvey stands over Einstein's lifeless body, a decision weighing heavily on his face. He lost his position at Princeton Hospital as a result. For decades, Harvey kept Einstein's brain in jars and boxes, occasionally sending slides to researchers. Some studies claim to find unusual features in Einstein's brain, such as an enlarged inferior parietal lobe associated with mathematical thought and spatial reasoning, but findings have been disputed and remain inconclusive. Eventually, parts of the brain were returned to medical institutions such as the Mutter Museum in Philadelphia and the National Museum of Health and Medicine. Einstein's ashes, however, were scattered in an undisclosed location, as per his wishes. Despite controversies after his death, his mind both literally and figuratively continues to fascinate scientists, educators, and the public to this day.